He video a hian subjong inbiakna simple te kan zir hodona ngai thlain omang thiam vela man tangkai hun helena nge yang chendun pani mimile puite in komna tang hian subjong zir chua tumang le mimi voin khwa chu athal le mai. The weather is very fine today. Puya chu chia mai khwa po alum thai. Indeed, it's very hot today. Mimi nie ruasu se katingot mai adai dewang. Of course it is. I wish it would rain. It will cool down the weather. Puya tun ranga thlani nuwa ruasu tak don alom. Rainy season will come after 2 months from now. Mimi today la thei ngai naim. By the way, are you fond of fruits? Puya te renge a Chrisel bokalom. Absolutely, I like them very much. It's very healthy and beneficial to health. Puya ani nang eng thei nge nat ber. Which of the fruits do you like best? Mimi selthum ka du deu ber mai balapo tui kati. I like oranges best. Banana is also delicious. Puya til dang dei tun lai nga izong ene lai nge is single lai. By the way, are you single or in a relationship? Mimi single rang mai ni hi na kan boy the em ani. I am single forever. The workload is too much. Puya pasala nei don anti chia. People are saying that you are getting married soon. Mimi teo lo mai Tlangval mai mai ni chu oi ma ta che. Far from it. Don't believe in rumors. Mimi mai ziali zunga em kha. Do you smoke? Puya ozwe taka ka fiam thu ni kha zungai lo. Yes, I do. Just kidding. I never smoked in my lifetime. Mimi iti try in sum fante. Good going. Keep it up. Puya hello me. Thank you. Puya ani baka mi hawin ang mazi em ni nilom. Did you paint all of these pictures yourself? Mimi ni ve to fing pon nang ma ngai khan ti vero anti kha. Oh yes, as the saying goes, DIY, do it yourself. Puya iba na sat ve don ya. It looks like you have put a lot of work into this. Kachuang kop mai je. I'm very proud of you. Mimi kalom tak zede. A million thanks to you. Puya eng posuni se khotima hian ko mai tange. Anyway, I'd better go now before it gets dark. Mimi chuti mo ani le kan lain ko me don ya. Okay, see you later.